Alright, so for today's review, we're going to be taking a look at my custom step deck trailer in 1/50th scale. This model was built by Custom Styrene and was also built by, I believe his name is JD Built on Instagram. So to start off the review, as you can see, this is kind of built off of an Nelson step deck trailer or a Nelson ramp trailer. As you can see here, I got one in the background. I got one here. So the neck and part of the frame on the trailer are from the Nelson itself, and then the rest is built out of milled aluminum. So here is the trailer itself. It's painted in chrome. You do have a nice set of tires on the back, some DOT striping that goes down the side. You do have jacks that are off of an East flatbed trailer. As you can see, and then there is some wood inlay on top of the deck as well, which is pretty nice. The jacks on this model are functional as well, so if you wanted to show them all the way up, you could do that. Just got to take time to screw them up, and then you can have them displayed however you'd like, or if you want to put the jacks back down, you can. And you can see here, you got some yellow painted lights on right there. Again, you do have your spots for the airlines to go right there, and your electrical as well. And then coming to the back, I believe these are off of a first gear tag trailer, if I'm not mistaken. These are the wheels of a first gear tag trailer. And then it's got some custom built suspension on styrene in the back. And you have your DOT bumper right here. And then you do have your lights all painted on the back here as well, which is nice. And then coming over here, coming over to this side, it's pretty much the same. Nothing too crazy to go writing home about on here, but this is a custom step deck trailer. If that's what you like to refer to it as, it's good for hauling like crane loads and stuff like that. So if you have like a crane boom and you'd want to jack it up, you could and haul this around. It's pretty cool looking trailer. Like I said, this was built by Custom Styrene and JD Built. Both are on Instagram. And like I said, it was built out of a Nelson trailer that somebody had previously chopped up and built something on. And then this was what it was transformed into. But that's really about it for this review. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you'd like to see a review of anything, please feel free to let me know. If you'd like to follow my social media, both links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.